Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Mazda CX-5 manual. First, familiarize yourself with the clutch, brake, and accelerator pedals. The clutch is always on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. Next, study the gear shifter's layout to understand where each gear is located. Always confirm the parking brake is engaged before you begin, ensuring the vehicle remains stationary while you prepare to drive. This foundational knowledge is crucial for a smooth start. To start your Mazda CX-5, fully depress the clutch pedal with your left foot. This disengages the engine from the transmission, allowing you to shift gears without grinding. With the clutch down, turn the ignition key or press the start button to bring the engine to life. Once the engine is running, gently move the gear lever into first gear. Keep that clutch pedal pressed all the way down, ready for the next step. If you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, if you're looking to take control of your finances, much like you're learning to control this manual transmission, I have a quick recommendation. Check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. As you slowly release the clutch pedal, simultaneously apply light pressure to the accelerator pedal. This coordinated movement is key to a smooth takeoff without stalling. To shift to a higher gear, press the clutch, move the lever to the next gear, and then smoothly release the clutch while adding more gas. When slowing down, downshift by pressing the clutch, selecting a lower gear, and releasing the clutch to use engine braking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.